Hi there, and welcome to a very special unboxing here on the UkeStuff channel. My name is Chris Russell. I'm a music educator and a ukulele player. So in this video, what we're going to do is do an unboxing. If you don't like unboxings, please skip this video and join us for another one down the road, perhaps the full UkeGuide review of the instrument that I'm about to unbox when it appears. However, this is also a special video because I'm trying a green screen for the first time. So I have a setup with a collapsible green screen. The prices have dropped on those recently, plus a couple of other smaller ring lights behind me, hopefully giving me enough backlight to differentiate for this video. So this instrument was selling on eBay for a very low amount of money, and I couldn't resist it. This is from a company that I've reviewed a number of times before. It's a company called Aklot. I was not given any discount to review this instrument, and I didn't even ask. The price was that low. So let me show it to you, and then let's get to the unboxing. So here's the instrument in its box, made in China, as you all know. I'm going to cut it open, and then we'll take a look at what's inside. All right. Let's take a look, see if we can get it open. Yeah. Toss that box out of the way. So in the box is your standard Aklot bag recently, and a few other things. Let's take a look what else you get. You get sort of a guitar strap for an Aklot instrument. I'll put that over there too. And a few other things. You get a Allen wrench for a truss rod. That might give it away, as does the title, I'm sure, as well as some picks and some strings. So I'll put those out of the way, as well as the rest of this box lid. So here is the case. It's your pretty typical Aklot case recently. The bamboo and the solid acacia run with bags like these. Generally nicely padded, not super padded, but nicely padded straps. A decently comfortable padded handle, a smaller front pocket that will handle all of your essentials. And let's see what else we got on the inside here. I also checked in the pocket here to make sure that I didn't miss anything in the pocket. There's nothing in the pocket, so let's unzip this and see what we got. Okay, inside, instrument is wedged in pretty tightly. These bags have a pretty nice lining with a nice little protective thing there so the gears don't rip up your bag. That's kind of a nice thought. And I'll put that bag to the side. All these Aklots come in sort of just this styrofoamish wrap and a rubber band around the top. Get rid of that. And let's see what we got. Here we go. Getting caught up here. We're ready. Okay, there's your ukulele tuners. Oh, nope. You have 4 ukulele tuners. Yes, it's an 8-string ukulele. And here it is. Look at it. This is your standard mahogany top, solid top, laminate back and sides. It's the same as the AKC23, which I reviewed under a very different format quite a while ago. That ukulele is in the hands of my niece. I also bought a couple of these, or at least the AKC23 models, to give away as prizes to students at a contest a few years ago. And those have held up well, even to the Minnesota winters without any extra care. So that's all very cool. You get the traditional Dove bridge of that solid mahogany top series. It's not my favorite bridge, but it doesn't bother me incredibly either. You get a little bit of an etched rosette. You get a dove on the headstock and that really extended headstock there. It does say that it comes with Aquila strings, and looking at them, it looks like there is 1 wound string for the low G, and then everything else is Aquila Super Nile Gut. Eventually I may change these out because I do have other 8-string instruments that are wound with, I think, Worth, One is with jumping cow strings. I'm not even sure if they're sold here in the US or if Stone's Music even sells those separately yet. And I might even look at Living Waters for a set of strings for this after I review it. So just in the hand, it's a chunkier neck as you'd expect and a wider neck as you'd expect for an 8th string. The tuners are all closed-geared tuners, and they look generally pretty straight. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a couple of them are a little angled down, but massive OCD might actually measure that. I'm okay with that. It comes with strap buttons for that larger strap, and you can see the notch kerfing inside. Let's just tune it up and see if we have any chance of tuning it up and letting you hear what this sounds like at this moment. Okay, I don't know how long this tuning is going to hold. Just to give you an idea what this sounds like. Yeah, it's going to need a little bit of settling down before it's going to really work as an instrument. However, the setup generally seems pretty good. It might be possible to lower it a little bit on this side, and that might make it perfect. I'll check that out when I get into the full review of this instrument. Now, you might say, why did you buy that? Well, it was $65 plus tax when I bought it, maybe $66 plus tax when I bought it. That is unheard of for an 8-string. It's certainly unheard of for a solid mahogany top instrument at that price range, and I just couldn't resist it. So that will be coming up in a future video here on the UkeStuff channel. Watch for it. All right, I thank you for joining me on this video. I hope you're having a great day. I hope the green screen effect here works out, and I will be back soon with some more UkeStuff for you.